Money makes noise. It flashes in designer clothes. It roars in luxury cars. It echoes in crowded rooms where people compete to be seen. Money loves attention. It wants applause. It wants to be noticed. But wisdom speaks softly. It doesn't shout in the marketplace. It doesn't beg for validation. It sits quietly in the heart of a patient man and waits. Money can buy a microphone, but wisdom chooses its words carefully. Money can fill a house with noise, but wisdom fills a life with peace. I have seen people who had everything money could offer: big houses, loud celebrations, endless spending, yet their minds were restless. And I have seen others with little in their pockets, but calm in their spirit. They listened more than they spoke. They observed more than they reacted. Because wisdom understands something money never will. True power doesn't need to be loud. So the next time you hear the noise of wealth, pause. Listen closely. Sometimes the softest voice in the room carries the greatest truth. Money makes noise, but wisdom speaks softly, and it lasts forever.